Today we're tackling another viral order of operations puzzle that causes massive debate. 110 divided by 10 times 10 plus 1. Many people will look at this and get 1, while millions of others are equally certain the answer is 121. Let's settle this debate by breaking it down strictly step by step. First, let's understand how people arrive at the answer 1. Step 1. They start inside the parentheses. 10 plus 1 equals 11, which simplifies the expression to 110 divided by 10 times 11. Step 2. They multiply 10 by 11 first to get 110. They prioritize this implied multiplication where the number touches the parentheses over the division on the left. 110 divided by 110 leaves them with 1. But according to the standard modern mathematical conventions, prioritizing implied multiplication over division is a fatal mistake. Now let's settle this using PEMDAS. Parentheses first, then exponents. Now here's a crucial step. Multiplication and division share equal priority. Neither outranks the other. When both appear in an expression, you must evaluate them strictly from left to right, as they appear on the page. Standard modern mathematics does not prioritize implied multiplication. Step 1. Following the standard rules, we must evaluate the operation inside the grouping symbols first. Inside the parentheses, 10 plus 1 equals 11. Now our expression is 110 divided by 10 times 11. Step 2. Now we scan the simplified expression from left to right for multiplication and division. Working from the left, division appears first. Perform the division. 110 divided by 10 equals 11. This leaves us with 11 times 11. Step 3. Execute the remaining multiplication. 11 times 11 equals 121. So according to standard modern algebraic standards, the correct final answer is 121.